realistic night routine for teens. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into something we all can relate to: the ultimate night routine for teens. If you have been struggling with getting a good night's sleep or just want to optimize your evenings for success, you're in the right place. As teens, we have got a lot on our plates, from schoolwork to extracurriculars, and of course trying to maintain some semblance of a social life. But fear not, I've crafted a night routine that's not only realistic, but also designed to help you unwind, de-stress, and wake up feeling ready to conquer the day. First, what is night routine? A night routine is a series of activities and habits that individuals follow in the evening to wind down, prepare for a good night's sleep, and set the stage for the next day. A well-established night routine can contribute to better sleep quality, improved mental well-being, and increased productivity. A night routine is important for several reasons, as it plays a significant role in overall well-being and daily productivity. It's important for improved sleep quality, stress reduction, enhanced mental health, increased productivity, healthy habits formation, optimized energy levels, and balanced lifestyle. On the other hand, not having a good night routine can have various impacts on your physical health, mental well-being, and overall daily functioning. The potential consequences are poor sleep quality, increased stress and anxiety, procrastination and unproductivity, disorganization and morning rush, physical health issues, impact on academic and professional performance, and increased risk of burnout. Creating a realistic night routine for teens involves finding a balance between winding down and preparing for the next day. Here's a detailed night routine that takes into consideration various aspects of a teenager's life, such as academics, self-care, and relaxation. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Family and dinner time. Commence your evening with a family-centered dinner. Gather around the table to share a nutritious meal and connect with loved ones. As the day winds down, gathering around the dinner table provides a haven for open communication and shared experiences. This communal setting fosters a sense of unity, creating a supportive environment where family members can share the highs and lows of their day. Create a positive atmosphere by engaging in conversations about your day. Ditch electronic devices during this time to enhance the quality of family interactions, promoting a sense of togetherness. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. homework and study session. Transition into a focused study period. The homework and study session is a dedicated time for academic focus and intellectual growth. Find a quiet, well-lit space to tackle academic responsibilities. Break down assignments into manageable tasks. Set realistic goals and maintain concentration. Incorporate short breaks to prevent burnout and optimize learning. This dedicated hour ensures effective completion of homework, reducing academic stress. Through consistent study sessions, teens can enhance their academic performance, develop critical thinking skills, and build a foundation for lifelong learning. 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. physical activity or exercise. Energize your body with physical activity, whether it's a brisk workout, jog, or simple stretching exercises. Incorporating movement improves overall well-being. Physical activity not only boosts energy levels, but also serves as a healthy break from the cognitive demands of studying, contributing to a balanced lifestyle. 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. unwind and relaxation. Shift gears to relaxation mode. Engage in activities that bring joy and calmness, such as reading a book, listening to music, or pursuing a hobby. It's a time to disconnect from screens and external pressures, providing space for self-reflection and personal enjoyment. This dedicated downtime allows your mind to decompress, promoting mental well-being and reducing the stress accumulated throughout the day. 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. personal hygiene. Initiate your nightly hygiene routine. Take a warm shower or bath to relax your muscles and refresh your body. Follow up with regular hand washing, toothbrushing, flossing, and skincare, creating a self-care ritual that contributes to your overall health and hygiene. By incorporating these habits into daily nightlife, individuals not only protect themselves from illness, but also contribute to a healthier and more hygienic environment for everyone. 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Digital detox. Begin the wind-down process by initiating a digital detox. Engaging in a digital detox at night is crucial for promoting better sleep and overall well-being. Dim the lights and stow away electronic devices at least 30 minutes before bedtime. This deliberate reduction in screen time helps signal to your body that it's time to unwind, promoting a smoother transition into a restful night's sleep. This practice also reduces mental stimulation, fostering relaxation, and enhancing the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. A nighttime digital detox allows individuals to prioritize rest, rejuvenate, and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. 10 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. Plan for tomorrow. Prepare for the next day by organizing your belongings and creating a to-do list. Lay out your clothes and pack your school bag, reducing the morning rush and ensuring a smooth start to the day. This proactive approach not only enhances organization, but also minimizes stress. 10:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Reflection and gratitude. Reflect on the day's events in a journal. Take note of accomplishments, navigate challenges, and express gratitude for positive moments. This reflective practice cultivates self-awareness, mindfulness, and a positive mindset, contributing to overall mental well-being. 10:30 p.m. Sleep preparation. Effective sleep preparation involves creating a conducive environment for a restful night. Begin by establishing a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring a regular bedtime and wake-up time. Create an optimal sleep environment to enhance the quality of your rest. Adjust the room temperature. Use blackout curtains to block out external light. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Consider incorporating calming elements, such as essential oils or gentle music. These deliberate steps set the stage for a restful night's sleep. Remember to avoid stimulants like caffeine close to bedtime and opt for a calming herbal tea if needed. 10:30 p.m. to 7 a.m. Sleep. Prioritize a full 8 to 9 hours of sleep for optimal health. In conclusion, a night routine is more than just a series of activities before bed. It's a holistic approach to self-care that contributes to physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By consistently incorporating positive habits into your night routine, you can set the stage for a healthier, more balanced life.